So 120 years of Royal Enfield is it's a special thing, you know, to be part of a company that's got such a long and rich heritage and that lineage and that Indian soul and British roots, and to be able to celebrate that this year and do, you know, a whole bunch of different things that we're doing this year to celebrate it is just a real pleasure and a real honour. When you go all the way back 120 years, you know, these bikes were handmade, they were handcrafted. So right from the off, the idea was to create something that celebrated that and had lots of details that were handcrafted.
Both the Continental GT and Interceptor are a perfect canvas to really communicate the traditional as well as the modern cues. So in that way, it was a very ideal canvas to work on for this celebration edition.
So we tried to really connect everything we did at the bike with 1901. The top tank decal graphics are inspired by the 1901 Certificate of Incorporation. To give the entire bikes a more custom and unique look, we decided also to come up with completely new seat designs, new rack scene, a different color, as well as on the grips. To give the rider a unique feeling as well, we numbered all the bikes. We have 120 bikes in total. We're talking about 60 GTs and 60 Interceptors.
As this vehicle is a special edition vehicle, so definitely the decals also need quite a lot of attention. So all the decal materials are of a special film in terms of the feel. We wanted the gold leaf feel. This, along with the trichrome graphite and the black paint and pinstriping, really enhances the whole theme of the motorcycle.
This is the first time I've seen the bikes physically, and I have to say I am absolutely delighted how they've come out. I think every bit of them. And I love the attention to detail. You know, it's the little touches, it's the different coloured grips and the stitching on the seat, and you know, the way that the badge has been handcrafted and handmade. I think all of those things come together and culminate in something that is really quite unique and quite special and looks fantastic. So I'm delighted how they come out.